Greeting, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are in this world. Nobody is going to do it for you. Nobody is coming to save you. Nobody. You don't believe me? Do nothing, stay where you are, and see if your life improves. It won't. This is a life-changing quote. I don't know the author, but it's a life-changing quote. Nothing changes if nothing changes. Let me repeat it again. Nothing changes if nothing changes. Nobody is gonna write your book for you. Nobody is coming to start your business. Nobody is coming to write your business plan. Nobody is going to the gym on your behalf. Nobody is coming to market your product. Nobody is coming to take you and finance you. Nobody is going to improve your health if you don't do. Nobody is taking control of your mental health if you're not willing to. Nobody is writing your play. Nobody is going to push you to get up and do what you were supposed to do. Nobody is going to give you money. Nobody is going to start a campaign on your behalf. Nobody is going to change your life if you don't do it yourself. Nobody. If you're waiting for somebody to do it for you, you're going to be waiting forever. Nobody is coming to do it for you. Nobody is coming to save you. I'm sorry, the truth hurts, but I'm going to tell you, everything I have done, I was willing to do it. Otherwise, nobody was coming for me. Nobody's coming to help me or do it on my behalf. I have to do it. And life is hard. Life is really hard. Who said life is easy? Life is really hard. And if you think it's gonna fix itself and it's gonna resolve itself, yeah, I'm sorry to say, but it won't. Do nothing about it and see if it's gonna fix itself. It won't fix itself. Get up and do it. That's the truth. And I have 3 examples for you, 3 personalities that they did it themselves. They saved themselves. They have to save themselves. Nobody was coming for them. The first is Tyson Fury, the heavyweight champion of the world, aka the Gypsy King. He reached a deep depression and he even had suicidal thoughts, but he got up, he fought it, and become the heavyweight champion of the world in boxing. Who did it for him? He did it himself. Strength, he just got up, he had enough, and he did it himself. Also, David Goggins. David Goggins is he was fat, overweight, and he was spraying cockroaches, as in UK we say pest control. He was right at the bottom. He was insecure about his way. He was bullied and called names, but then he had enough. And he became the toughest man in the world. Go and check him on social media, David Goggins. And he passed all the Navy SEAL training, the toughest drills in the world. He passed all of them. And he has done endless marathons. He was overweight, a pest controller, spraying cockroaches. Who did it for him? He did it himself. And J.K. Rowling, the one who wrote Harry Potter, how many times she got refused? And they refused to publish her book. Who had the determination to keep going? She did it. She refused to give in, and she decided that her book has to be published. Where is she now? Multi-millionaire, if not a billionaire. So nobody is coming to save you or do it for you. You have to do it yourself. And if you wanted to progress, if you wanted to succeed, if you wanted to change your life, first you need to be your own hero. You don't wait for a hero to save you. You are your own hero. Be your own hero. When you say something, you do it. When you say you're gonna do something, you do it. You have to be disciplined, whether you like it or not. If you have something to do, you do it. There is no negotiation or waiting for somebody to motivate you. If you are meant to do something, you do it, whether you like it or not. You want to progress? This is the formula. I know it's not easy. If it was easy, everybody gonna do it. Also, stop looking for validation. Stop looking for validation. The only validation will come from you. When you do the work, that's the validation. And do it to the best of your ability. Not just do the work. Do it to the best of your abilities. And connect with people who have the same mission and vision and purpose as you. And get rid of anybody who is holding you back. Get rid of anybody who's holding you back. And connect with people who have the same enthusiasm, the same vision. People who've done what you've done. Connect with them. Positive people. And as I said, nobody is coming to do it for you. Sorry. The truth, most of us cannot handle the truth. Nobody's going to do it for you. You want to improve your life, you want to progress, you want good things to happen in your life, you're going to be a winner, you're going to be a hero, you're going to have finances, you're going to have success, you're going to have happiness. You need to do it yourself. Nobody is coming to do it for you. Nobody is going to save you. And I wish you know that greatness, power, purpose, determination is within you. It's inside you. You don't need nobody. You have all the power in the world to do it yourself. You have it. Search in your own soul. You have the power to do it. It's in you. Nobody's coming to do it for you. You can do it yourself. You are capable. Listen to me, you're capable. So, get up, do it yourself. Don't rely on nobody. Don't need no hero. You are the hero. So get up and do it yourself. Thank you for watching and listening, and see you on the other side.